What if you could build a real online business starting today without ever showing your face on camera? No, for real. What if there was a step-by-step game plan to start building an income stream this month using nothing but your phone and a totally anonymous Instagram account? You've probably seen a dozen videos promising easy money, but you're still at square one. And let's be honest, the idea of being a public influencer just isn't your style. It's frustrating. You watch the tutorials, you put in the work, but nothing seems to click. It's not about grinding harder, it's about having a smarter blueprint. In this video, I'm going to share that blueprint with you. This is the system I would use if I had to start from absolute zero in 2026. We're going to break down how to launch an organic dropshipping business using only a faceless Instagram page. I'll show you how to find a product that's ready to go viral, how to create simple content that actually gets people to buy, and how to turn your followers into paying customers. And the best part? You can do it all without spending a dime on paid ads. So, what's the deal with organic dropshipping on Instagram? Let's break it down because it's way simpler than it sounds. Forget what you've heard about needing a ton of cash for ads or some complicated website. This model only has a few key parts. First, dropshipping just means you sell physical products you never actually touch. When a customer buys from you, you buy the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Your profit is whatever's left over. No inventory, no packing tape, no post office runs. The organic part is where the real opportunity is. Instead of paying for expensive ads to find customers, you use free, content-driven traffic from Instagram. Your Instagram account is both your traffic source and your storefront. This approach is getting a lot of attention in 2026 for a couple of reasons. First, ad costs in many niches are climbing, making it tough for beginners to compete. Second, people are tired of being sold to. They'd rather discover products through content that's actually interesting. Your Reels, stories, and DMs become your ads. That's it. You don't need a big budget, you just need a system for creating content that people actually want to watch. All right, listen close, because this is the step where most people trip up. You can't just sell random stuff, you need a product that's practically made for the Instagram environment. The goal isn't to find something nobody's ever seen. It's to find a product that solves a real problem, triggers an emotional "I need that" reaction, or just has a wow factor that's super easy to show off in a short video. Here's your mental checklist for finding a winner. 1. Is it visually demonstrable? Can you show how it works or the amazing result it gives in under 10 seconds? Think portable blenders, cool desk gadgets, or genius cleaning tools. If you can't show it, it's not right for Reels. Reels are your main engine for growth, so the product has to be the star. 2. Does it solve a problem or fulfill a desire? The best products either fix a nagging problem, like a space-saving travel organizer, or tap into a strong desire, like a beauty tool that makes life easier. People don't really buy products, they buy solutions and a better version of themselves. Your content will be all about showing that transformation. 3. Is it niche focused? Don't try to be the next Amazon. A general store is a fast track to failure with organic marketing. Pick a specific niche, like minimalist home office, eco-friendly kitchen, or urban pet gear. A tight niche makes creating content a million times easier and helps you build a loyal community that actually wants to buy from you. So, where do you find these gems? I'd use Instagram and TikTok as your secret weapon. Search for phrases like Amazon finds, TikTok made me buy it, or, your niche gear. Look for videos with crazy high engagement, tons of views, comments, and especially shares. A high number of shares or sends is one of the best clues for the Instagram algorithm that people find the content genuinely valuable. If a product is already getting attention in short-form video, you've got a potential winner. Got your product idea? Awesome. Now let's build your machine. A faceless account isn't about being lazy, it's about creating a brand that stands on its own, so the content can do all the heavy lifting. Here's how to set it up right. First, switch to a professional account. First things first, and you really don't want to skip this. It gives you access to analytics and a contact button. Just head over to Settings, then Account, and switch to a professional account. I'd recommend starting with a creator account. Next, pick a keyword-rich username and name. Your username, like your brand, should be clean and easy to remember. Your name, that's the bold text in your bio, should be packed with keywords for your niche. If you sell coffee gadgets, your name could be Modern Coffee Tools or Home Barista Gear. This is prime real estate for showing up in Instagram search. Then write a bio that serves, not sells. Your bio has one job. Tell people what's in it for them. Don't just say, "We sell desk organizers." Try something like, "Find your focus in a calm workspace." End with a clear call to action, like, "Shop our curated gear below," or "See it in action here." Next up, the one-link strategy. You get one clickable link in your bio. Don't overcomplicate it. Use a free tool like Linktree, or just send people directly to your product. Keep it simple and focused. And just one final anecdotal tip. Some creators suggest warming up a new account for a few days before you start posting heavily. This isn't an official rule, but it's a common practice. Just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day acting like a normal user. Follow a few accounts in your niche, like some posts, and watch some videos. The idea is to signal to the platform that you're a real person, not a bot. This is where the magic happens. Your content is the business. With a faceless account, your videos have to work twice as hard, but the good news is you don't need to be a pro. The name of the game on Instagram in 2026 is creating your own original content. The platform is increasingly prioritizing originality and may reduce the visibility of accounts that just repost other people's stuff without adding any value. Your goal is to make your own unique videos, even if they're super simple. Here are 3 simple, faceless video styles you can start making, like today. First, the problem-solution reel. This is your bread and butter. The first 3 seconds show a relatable problem: a messy desk, tangled headphones, a clunky kitchen tool. The rest of the video shows your product as the slick, easy solution. It works because it hooks viewers instantly with a pain point they know all too well. Second, the UGC style demo. UGC means user-generated content. Even if you have 0 customers, you can create videos that feel like they were made by a happy fan. Use your phone to get simple, unpolished shots of the product being used in a real-life setting. No fancy lights, no studio. This style builds trust because it feels real. Third, the benefit stack carousel. Don't sleep on carousels. They are engagement powerhouses. Create a simple 5 to 10 slide post. The first slide is your hook. 3 reasons your desk is a mess. Each slide after that highlights one key benefit of your product with a clean image or a short video clip. The algorithm tends to reward the time people spend swiping, and carousels that get a lot of saves often get an extra push. I want you to burn this into your brain. Consistency beats perfection. Every single time. Aim for 1 reel a day. Don't obsess over going viral. Obsess over being consistent. Your winning video might be your 31st attempt, but you have to make the first 30 to find it. Look, views and followers are nice, but they don't pay the bills. Sales do. Getting attention is the easy part. Turning that attention into money is the skill. Here's a simple funnel. First, reels create attention. The job of your reels is to get your product in front of as many new eyeballs as possible. Every reel should have a casual call to action in the caption or comments, like "Find the link in our bio to see how it works." Second, stories build trust. Your daily Instagram stories are for your current followers. This is where you go deeper. Show behind-the-scenes stuff, even faceless. Answer questions from your comments and run polls. This daily check-in is crucial for building a real connection. Third, DMs close the sale. In 2026, direct messages are where relationships are built and sales are made. While some debate their direct impact on the algorithm, there's no question that conversations drive conversions. You can encourage this in your content by saying "comment link" and I'll send you the details. This tactic can boost engagement, but be aware that some users find it spammy if overused. The real value is starting those one-on-one conversations with highly interested people. This system takes a stranger from a cold viewer on a reel to a warm lead in a DM and finally to a customer. It's a simple, repeatable process you can run straight from your phone. And while we're talking about dropshipping, this exact model works for affiliate marketing or selling digital products once you have an audience. So there you have it, the entire playbook for an organic dropshipping business on Instagram in 2026. We've covered how to find a visual, problem-solving product, how to build a clean, faceless page, how to create simple videos that sell, and how to turn that attention into actual income. The beauty of this method is that it doesn't require a fortune to start or for you to be a public personality. But let's be real, success isn't guaranteed and most new stores don't get rich overnight. Your results will come down to your effort, the product you choose, and your ability to create content that connects with people. So I have a challenge for you. Don't just go watch another video. Take action. Your mission for the next 7 days is simple. First, tonight, pick one niche. Second, tomorrow, find one product in that niche that you can get excited about. Third, for the next 7 days, post one reel per day showing off that product. Your goal isn't a million views. Your goal is to get in the game and prove to yourself you can follow the system. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more strategies like this to share. Now get to work on that challenge. What niche are you picking? Let me know in the comments below.